Hello everyone, I'm Cece Fox and today I'm doing my Boxycharm. So I was able to unbox these already and give a little look. This is the Tarte C. It's under eye cream and it is so good. It doesn't have a scent, but it's a light creamy. So sometimes it's a little too much. That one's super cool. So that's the first thing on there. The next thing we have this Ace Beauté or Butte Falling For You palette. Oh my goodness. And I love these. I have a couple from Boxycharm. And I gotta tell you, the colors on here are gorgeous. Look at them. They're so pretty. There's a lot of options there. Perfect for fall. There's some glitter ones and like colors that you can use a lot. This orange, ooh, isn't that fun? I love these. So they all kind of match. And even look at the gold around. That's super cute. So, and it comes with a mirror. I like when they have a mirror. Okay, so this next one, this is a bronzer. And it's really cool because it's light, kind of could go with anybody. And it's kind of buildable. So you can see how it's buildable. And it's really nice. Doesn't really have any scent, so that's cool too. Ooh, matte bronzer. Okay, so next up we have lashes. These ones look like they have a good curl to them already. I haven't tried them. I like that they come with a cool little box. So that way, if they're reusable, you can clean them real well and put them back in there. So this is Mary Lash. So that is great. And lastly in the box that is so exciting to me because I'm new to this. So it's the adhesive liquid liner. And this is from Appeal. And it was so cool. I used it today on my Beauty Fox lashes. And it worked great. Oh, look at that. So cool. Just put it on like eyeliner. You get your eyelashes, you put it on the eyeliner, and it sticks. So you don't have to wait forever to put your lashes on your eye anymore. You can just put it on with adhesive liner. So that's your Boxycharm little review and tell all. So go ahead and let me know what you think, or if you do Boxycharm, or if you want to. So have a great day. Bye.